In today's digital world, printed documentation and reports can feel limiting. But with OneQR QR codes, you can allow your readers to access supplemental digital resources or data instantly, creating an interactive and dynamic experience. By integrating OneQR codes into your documentation and reports, you unlock new ways to engage and inform your audience. Include interactive elements like links to videos, demos, or step-by-step instructions, making your materials more engaging and easier to understand. You can also extend information beyond what's printed, provide readers with access to additional details, data sets, or downloadable files, saving on printed costs while delivering more value. What sets OneQR codes apart? Their dynamic nature. Change as needed. Update links to new or revised documents at any time, ensuring that your reports and documentation are always up to date and relevant. It's important to include a clear call to action. Let readers know where the OneQR code will take them, whether it's a video, a website, or supplemental data, and give them a compelling reason to scan. For a polished look, ensure cohesive design by integrating OneQR QR codes seamlessly into your document layout, following your brand guidelines. And for ease of use, remember that good contrast between the OneQR code and its background ensures readers can scan easily, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. With OneQR codes, print once and change often. Enhance your documentation with dynamic, interactive features that keep your information current and relevant. Get started for free today by visiting oneqr.com and create interactive experiences with OneQR QR codes.